You're not helping G.
Transform.
Keep it to yourself. Removing body parts. Oh, shut up. Fast red. Oh, look at that. Strict deadline. Show us the goods. Most important bit. Throw abuse too. I heard you swearing and stuff earlier. Fell over. Blind myself.
I don't want
All the getting distracted for the camera.
Hello world, welcome back to Accelerate and welcome to another episode on EP3.
Another one.
Another one.
Today we are tackling an essential item for track.
Big one on this.
Yes, I'm not sure how this video is going to work, but anyway, right, we're doing the coilovers, so let's get stuck in.
Let's have a look.
So this may be a bit of a random video, and a bit more of a vlog video because Kenny being Kenny, with the help of Jay, you're not helping Jay, they've already stripped most of the car down.
Most of the front end's off.
Yeah, the idea was originally to strip one side down, and then when I finally got here, we'd do the other side and film it, but we'll bring you guys
nice and early.
Yeah, which surprised everyone. But no, we obviously with the help of Jay, we are absolutely flying through this. So I'll just try and keep tabs on what's happening. I'm doing.
I'll give you a quick rundown what we're doing now. So it's BC Racing coilovers.
Yep.
We're doing the front lower arms. I've got polybushed, SUPERPRO polybushed ones, and we're also doing BUDDYCLUB RCAs. Nice. So we're changing the one complete hub. The other hub I bought from On a Mission. I think the bearings, I haven't checked them, but I think the bearing feels a little bit iffy. So we're just going to change the RCA over on that one.
Yes.
So yeah, front end should be transformed.
Yep.
So yeah.
And I'm going to be tackling the difficult part of removing body parts. So basically, as we've said in previous videos, thanks to Jay, this car is being painted very soon. So while the big boys are tackling the big work, because I'm the cameraman, I'm going to basically strip everything I can off the car.
Me and Jay stripped these sides off each,
the
suspension and he's just removed a skirt. That's why he's the cameraman.
Yeah, this is right, yeah. I do want to say I was waiting to film the outro for the other video, but no, apparently that's my fault. But anyway, so little things, like I said, like the side skirts, I am basically just going to strip, under Jay's instruction, I'm going to strip everything I can just to make his job easier of spraying it. Because as is with everything with us, we are on a strict deadline now. We are busy the whole time up until the track day. So it's thanks to people like Jay that we're hopefully going to get this thing done. But let's have a quick look at what we've done so far. I'm sure you should have taken your microphone off now, haven't you?
I have, yeah, but right. I'll speak up.
Yes, what if we... Right, so you've got the whole thing off.
We've got the old hub just behind you.
Oh, nice.
That's for the driver's side, taking the disc off, obviously the caliper's up the way. This is pretty much off, I just need to do that. We have to crack the nut on there. These lower arms are being replaced as well.
Yep.
So, yeah, basically I'm going to try and remove this RCA, roll center bush.
Yes.
Because that one's pretty good. The other hub I had, the bearing's a bit loose in it, so I just don't trust it. So it's worth changing over.
Well, fair enough. It's quite, you're quite far into it.
To be honest, it's really straightforward to strip down.
That's why I like Jap cars.
Exactly.
Another reason I like Jap cars.
Exactly.
Just going to throw a camera in Jay's face just to see where he's... I heard you swearing and stuff earlier, so we've had a few tight bolts, but...
No, God, you've... an awful right, to be fair, because Kenny's been here before. So.
That's very true. So, like I said, it's always good having another set of hands, especially with someone who actually knows what he's doing. So, yeah, we'll keep you updated. So I've just had a thought, before we get too far into the build, because Jay's already got pretty much one in. Give us a quick, I realised we didn't say what coilovers you've actually gone for.
Right, I went for BC BR series. I did want to go for the RM series, however, they were £1,000 and I bought these second hand. Yes. As you can see on the condition, they're very, very good.
They look awesome.
They look pretty much brand new. So I got these for £640 off one of the boys on the club.
Yeah.
Big shout out to him, thank you very much. So yeah, we're just putting these all around. Obviously it's got dampening adjustment and
it's got everything you need.
Yeah, exactly, yeah. So,
and there's a few other bits you've gone for, like the inverted track rod ends, which we'll get to, because I've never heard of inverted track ends before this.
Yeah, that's it.
But I think we'll get to that when...
Got for BUDDYCLUB RCAs, you can see the one down there with the boot on it. It's got a nice blue brand new gator.
Nice.
And as for the lower arms, I got SUPERPRO polybushed.
Good stuff.
Lower arms. So
cool. Yeah, I just wanted to catch you because we're flying through this, so I just wanted to get a quick rundown.
Jay.
Yeah, Jay flies.
Get into it. Like you're getting distracted for the camera.
I know. I keep having to grab the camera. It's so handy having you here. So yeah, we'll be done in no time.
Yeah, pretty much.
Having fun?
Not really.
Having fun, Jay?
It was until the caliper bolts got missing because you've been pulling bits off. I
thought this is a good time to start recording.
Run it through the hole.
So I've just been back that to get the camera rolling, so let's see what they're at.
Yeah, this one here is clear, as you can see. If you look in there, it's like the sleeve of it is still in the other hub.
So basically, for those who haven't seen the previous video, I had to try and dig out the remains of the ABS sensor, and there's still a bit left in there, is it?
Yeah.
Let's see if we can have a look. Oh, I see. So there's still what I thought was complete is apparently not. Blind myself. So yeah, for anyone who's looking to do this, as Jay said, that looked like it was all out, but it's not. It's still like a plastic sleeve. So ABS man strikes again.
I think I was just coming for a cup of coffee, yeah?
We did.
Right, so do you want me to get some grease?
These can squeak.
Okay.
But the main reason I grease them is just literally because the polybush is so tight in the cross member, you can just wiggle them in a bit, and if you need to move them, like.
If you're having trouble understanding Jay, don't worry, we do as well. We need to get a translator or something. Yeah, I could throw abuse too. Quick update for you guys, as you can see, skirts are off, spoilers off, and they're going off to be painted.
Ooh, exciting times.
It's one of those maybe like, oh yeah, get it painted, but now this is the first big step. It's actually going to get painted.
Yep, it's going to look a completely different car.
Yep. Have we told people what colour it is?
I told a couple of people, I haven't mentioned it.
Yeah?
Now, so.
Are we keeping it a secret?
Let's just say, stay in red.
But not just any red.
Not just any
It's going a very, very fast red.
Yes.
I think we have told a few people, so keep it to yourselves if you know. But yes, obviously not just paint, we are going with delivery and that as well.
Yeah.
So exciting!
Can't wait.
I almost forgot about these bits. The most important bits.
Yes. Things are going to make the biggest difference.
Yes. I am really liking this, a lot more than I thought I would. I want to say as well, I'm always iffy with aftermarket body kits, mainly fiberglass.
Yes.
But this, you can see how flexible it is and the weight on it. You can just feel the quality. To me, it feels like really good quality.
Yeah, it'll look awesome on this.
So I'm hoping, for your sake, Jay, I'm hoping this goes on really well. They did say the fitment seemed spot on, so fingers crossed for you.
Yeah, time will tell.
Yeah, oh, Jesus, fall down the hill.
Jesus, fell down the hill.
All right, thank you very much, Jay.
Once I get to the top road.
Really appreciate your help, man.
Yeah.
Really did help, and well, yeah, we flew through it now, thanks to you. So it's just the rears to do, but always appreciate your help, and keep us updated on the paint. I'm so excited. It's not even my car yet, but no, I really appreciate it, man.
Yeah.
We've been at this for so long, I have no idea when the last update was or what we were doing, but at the moment, I've been cracking on with the rear. Kenny's been having a lovely job putting the front end together. I completely forgot it's not only coilovers, it is lower arms. He's done a couple of things at the front. In the rear shock the rear shock assembly I've just got off. So Kenny's just setting up the rear now, and that should go straight back on. That's what she did. Show us the goods. Very nice. Oh god, it is on its lowest setting.
It is, it's on the deck.
I'm glad you noticed that.
Yeah, well, I set the front up quite high this morning.
Yeah.
So obviously we got to try and work this one out now.
Again, I'm sure you guys know, Kenny, as much as he'd like to have a slam car, he is very limited to the ride height he can have, so we need to, I think, like everyone says, set him high and then we can always lower him.
That's the idea, yeah, because with my garage, I've got to have
a nightmare. Man.
It is, yeah. So I've written down what size they were from the wheel.
Kenny being Kenny, yeah, sorry to interrupt, but I'm sure you, this is Kenny being Kenny, which I absolutely love. He's worked out measurements from blah 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 to make sure it's the right height. My man! Oh, look at that! Dirty hands! For those disbelievers, yes.
Crew fell over!
Yeah. Shush! Very quick update. I have no idea where we left off, what I've told you. I can't remember what we told you guys, but... It's been a long day. It's been a very long day, but let's have a look. This is all together, so we've obviously done a lot here. Snow wheels on, so we've done even more there. But, right, BCs are on, that's the main things. All back together with the new arms, blah blah blah, looking good. And basically, coilovers are all on. That's pretty much it. I think it's literally, we're putting it down.
Yeah, we're going to drop it down now. I'm going to have a look at the hub ride height.
Yeah, that's the only thing we're not sure about at the moment. But it's a case of...
Yeah, these have really extended the front.
Yeah.
Made sure they're really high, but I can always...
Because they were low, weren't they? You said they were very, very low.
They
so,
were, yeah.
we're going to... Well, we'll trim back in when we put it back on the wheels. It's wheels. Ugh. So, as you can see, both side skirts are off. This looks hilarious now. After seeing it with the big wang. So obviously the original spoiler's off. The big wang is not being painted, but the factory one is. Other side skirt off. And she is basically, because he's still got to drive it down to Jay, so I think this is how it's going to stay at the moment. But Kenny's got the lovely job of scotching as much as he can, and thank God I'm in work, so I can't help him.
I fucked you off.
Ah, crap. Another long freaking day.
Yeah, well, longer than we were expecting.
As always.
Yes, you'd never predict these things, can
No, but we did do a lot. I mean, the whole front end was basically apart.
It was, yeah.
It's all done now.
Yeah.
I would like to tell you our future plans, but everything is so 100 mile an hour at the moment because we're actually away next weekend. The car's being painted, the car's got to be set up, all in time for Summer Action Day.
We got like 3 weeks until Summer Action Day. 3 weeks today.
Yeah.
And this has got to be painted. They're going to have the sumper on it.
Only Kenny will get a car painted a couple of weeks before the show.
I know, and then it's got to be set up.
And it's got to be set up because it's going on track, so it just
very
needs to be
important.
done. So yeah, we'll just stick with this. We'll bring you guys along the way, but thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We will see you in the next one. Boom! Smack you in the face.